Here's a friendly reminder that air vents, AC units, anything that has a filter needs to be cleaned from time to time. Luckily, there's nothing complicated about it. Just simply take a brush like this for your vacuum cleaner, attach it on there, and make sure to thoroughly vacuum the entire thing. As you can see, this thing is heavily clogged. There's a lot of dust and hair that gets trapped in here. So you gotta make sure you thoroughly clean it. If you live in an apartment building, your landlord should, in theory, be doing this from time to time. But if not, make sure you do it yourself. So there are lots of reasons why you have to clean these filters, but two of the big ones that are always in my mind and should be in yours as well. First is the air quality in your home. You want to make sure that the air you breathe in your home is clean air, so make sure those filters are clean. And the other reason is that if those filters are heavily clogged, the machine has to work a lot more, meaning you're going to spend more on your power bill.